Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix no speakers or headphones are plugged in issue or error or problem on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So you have to click on the start button and then go to settings. You can also access settings through the Windows search bar by just directly typing settings and click on it. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here you'll find Audio with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Audio Troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And then it will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. It will also automatically fix the issue for you. So simply run the Audio Troubleshooter or try running it. Then for the next method, all you have to do is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager under the best match. Then here you just need to expand the list for sound, video, and game controllers. And here you need to look for the Realtek Audio. This one. Make a right click and you have to select Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Now if you're having an error with the first one, then you need to choose the second one. Then you have to click on Next. And click on Close. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And if that didn't help you fix the issue, just make a right click on the Realtek Audio, select uninstall device, then you have to click on uninstall. And after that, you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And that will automatically reinstall the driver for you, and then by that, the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.